Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new product that's just launched from CLARE-RWZ. I am so excited for this. So it's the Disney Aristocats Collection and this is the eyeshadow palette. How cute is that? It's got a little Marie on the front, or Marie on the front. So yeah, looking all sassy as she is. But yeah, oh, that is just so cute. And then the outer cover of the actual palette is exactly the same as the sleeve. And then we have all of these colours. There are loads of colours to choose from in here. Really nice. It's different to the other Disney ones where you had the shadows on one side and then the kind of face palette on the other side. But there's a lovely selection of shimmers, mattes, pressed pigments and all sorts in here. You could create so many looks. And then I also picked up the highlighter. I got the shade Duchess. It was kind of like they had three shades. There was a light one, which looked a bit too light for me. It's quite icy. And then this one, which is kind of like the middle shade with a slight sort of yellow champagne undertone. And then there was a darker one. So yeah, it looks like that, which is, look at that little paw print. Adorable. And then lastly, I grabbed one of the lip glosses. So this one is in the shade Marie and it's like that. So I think from what I can gather, it's kind of like a clear, oh, that's nice. It's like a pink iridescent glow. So I'm going to use it over the top of like a nude shade. But I mean, you could use it on its own. Probably look quite nice, sort of just for a natural look, just to chuck it on. But yeah, I'm going to use it as a topper. Right, so let's whack this on my face. I think I might go for a bit of a blue look today, actually. So I'm really liking like this blue here and this one here. And then this is more of like a purpley blue, but I really like that one as well. Maybe with a bit of silver or something. So, right. On my crease, I am going to go in with this one here called Sapphires. So that's a really pretty blue. I really like that. Right, and then just above that, I'm going to blend it out into this one here called Sacre Bleu. It's blended it out more than I'd like. What I'm going to do, I've got a hair somewhere. What I'm going to do is just go back in with those two shades just to build that up a little bit. That's better. So as you can see, that's actually blended in with that one quite nicely now. Got like a little bit there. I think that's actually a crease on my eyelid. But anyway, right, so on this outer part just here, I'm going to go in with that darker shade here called Bonjour. I'm just going to give that a little blend. It's more purpley than I thought. It looks more of like a bluey toned purple in the pan, but it is actually quite purple when it's on. Like that. There's nothing wrong with the product, but I thought it was going to be darker. So I think with that in mind, what I'm going to do is go in with this one here called Scat Cat. I'm just going to kind of try and work that into it somehow. Easy, easy That's better. Yeah, that is, it has turned into more of a purple look, but that's fine. We'll go with that. Right, so this inner part, I want to do like a silver. So I'm just going to go and cut that crease. Right, okay, so I've cut that crease. Obviously done that eye to the same point as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with a silver. And I'm going to go in with this one here called Ooh La La.
Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, to fuck the world. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I still on it. Cause you all wanna...
Wow. That is really, really nice, actually. Right, okay, I'm just going to blend that in slightly.
Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kind of funny, yeah, cause I know.
Right, so underneath, I think I'm going to actually just take that dark purple that I used in the corner. I'm going to take that all the way underneath.
So, this is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, yeah, you all wanna be round.
Yeah, yeah, that looks nice. Right, so inner corner and just under my brow bone, I'm going to go with this one here called Creme de la Creme.
I am on my way to win you over. No way, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your...
Like that. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go and do the same on the other eye, pop some lashes on, and then we'll try out the highlighter and the lip gloss. Right, okay, so lashes on. These are actually the Doll Beauty Kimberly ones, and they're really nice. They're quite natural, but they're really quite pretty. Right, so I'm going to use highlighter next. So this is in the shade Duchess. So we've got this one here. Kind of swatches like that there. So let's see what it's like. Do you know what? That is actually really nice, but they've sent me the wrong shade. It's actually Beloved. I'm sure I ordered the Duchess one, but never mind. I actually quite like it, so that's fine.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by.
There we go. That's actually really nice. I don't normally go for colours like that. It's got a bit of a pinky undertone. I'm normally more of a champagne-y sort of highlighter girl, but it actually looks really, really nice. Right, okay, we'll do lips next. Right, okay, so I'm going to go for a bit of a nude lip to start off with. So I'm just lining it. This is Doll Beauty Boy Bye.
I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down.
And then I'm going to go in with Mac Twig, which is that colour. It's kind of like a pinky nude. And then we're going to go in with this gloss. So this one is in the shade Marie. Oh my God, that smells so good. I can't think what that reminds me of. Oh, it really reminds me of something. Drumsticks. Yeah, you know the sweets, drumsticks. It reminds me of that. Yummy. Right, so going to pop this on.
I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, really like that. That is a lovely topper. Excellent. So here is the finished look. I love it. I really like it. Nothing went to plan from what I had in my head. This is why I don't plan. I normally just roll with it and just make it up as I go along. But I actually had a plan in my head today, and yeah, it didn't go to plan, did it? So, but I really like the eyes. I actually like the purple with the blue. And yeah, the highlighter, I just checked and I did order Beloved and not Duchess. I don't know why, but well, you know, maybe it's a sign because I actually really like it. But yeah, and the lip gloss is really nice, and I can still smell drumsticks, so bonus. So here is a close-up of the eyes. Do you know what? I would never normally go for a look like this. It's really quite pale for me, and yeah, the inside shimmer looks a little bit more white than silver on my skin, but I actually really like it. And yeah, looks nice with the lashes as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!